So I want to show you this really cool Facebook Like plugin. And the way it works is I'm scrolling around my Facebook profile and I notice that Heather, my friend Heather, flamethrower in a can. Well, that's weird. What's that? So I go to the website, and now I come across this. Wow, cool. Flamethrower in a can, $5 off. What a deal. Oh, I have to like it. Well, I'm gonna like it. As soon as I do that, I can see the code. I can see that all I have to do is type that code and I can order it. Now, back at my wall, I've got the same thing. So you can see how this can be an almost endless cycle. Now, after you install the WordPress plugin, you'll have a new section down here on the left called PG Like Plus. And if you click on it, you end up at this one screen right here. If you click on that one, you end up in the same place. If you click on News, you end up with a Latin page. So this is somewhat unfinished, and you're kind of puzzled as to how to use it. Before you upload the plugin, if you look at it, it's got really good documentation in a PDF. But most important, the first thing I learned was that the default image that comes with the plugin, this one, is what will by default appear on the wall of everyone who likes your page. In my case, I'm going to substitute a different image for using this plugin on my site, but I'm just going to call it the same thing. All you have to do is FTP your image up into that folder. I can do that by FTP, and I can verify that it worked by copy and pasting that link into the browser. So the best way to show you is here on the blog, and what I'm going to do is I've got the link. That's where you can get it. Right here, there's the Like Plus button, and when you hit it, your options window opens up. Once you hit that button, this pops up. You can choose different color schemes. If you leave the URL blank, it'll use the URL of wherever you're putting it, and that's really the best way to use this. You can, I guess, use it for evil and try to build likes to a Facebook page or to something else completely irrelevant. But if you do that, you'll lose sort of the viral aspect because it won't appear on the clicker's wall. It'll just appear in their recent activity stream. So you put the title that you want to appear on their wall, you put the text you want to appear on their wall. You can even upload a different image, like that little flamethrower can image if we wanted, and you just hit like to see the link, and then insert. At that point, you'll see the code, and you'll see all the code appear right there in your visual editor. I caution you, do not toggle back and forth at this point. Don't get lost. If you end up going back and forth, you can lose it and start over. You don't get a second chance to see that box. But it's pretty obvious what it is you need to type in here, and you can make changes here just fine. This is what the post will look like until someone likes it. Pretty slick.